This is the Meerkat in with the trade of the day, and today's lesson is on cutting your losers short and letting your winners run. Hey, let's take a look at the trade we had on Snap, S-N-A-P. After it dropped 20% last week, it was on a run up today here, up over 6%. Made this huge run up, and then it was coming back in a parallel channel. That is called a bull flag. Want to know more about a bull flag? Just go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com. Go to the free chart school right there. And we're going to look for a bull flag right here on the bull side, and bull flag, tag that one right there. Here we are. Look at it. It goes up and it runs up, comes back in a parallel channel. If it breaks out above that, the odds are in our favor. We want to take that trade. It's going to continue to the upside. So you set a trade right there. Let the market come to you. If you want read about it, you can there. And then down below here are some examples. Here are daily charts where this pattern happens. And then here are some day trading charts. These black ones down here are some previous trades that I've done with bull flags. So let's take a look here at what was happening on Snap. It ran up, coming back in a parallel channel. Set my trade up here. Let the market come to me. Let's see what happened next. Boom, there we go, and it popped up, and I am now in here. I am long here at $20.56. We are long here on Snap. So I'm going to bring my stop up here, put it right here at, I don't know, 2042, just above that pivot line, but below the 20 moving average and the 8 EMA to protect myself. Here it is, getting ready to challenge the high of day. In fact, it did go to a new high of day by a penny at 2065 at the time. And then what happens? It goes on, bam, I'm out, just like that. The odds were in my favor. It was going to continue up, and it didn't. After this huge run up, and it pulled back. Oh well, so it stopped me out at 2042 for minus 0.6% in just 2 minutes. Well, that happens. And then what happened after that is it continued to fall down here, and then it finally found some support down here around its 50 moving average and started to come back up. So this was one of the last trades of the day they had in the Grok Star room, and now it's just been basing here ever since here as I make this recording at about noon Eastern time. So it is all about probabilities. We want to take it when the probabilities are in our favor, but it's not a guarantee. It doesn't mean it's always going to work out. Today in the Grok Star room, we had several of these where the odds were in our favor, but that just didn't turn out for a profit. Here you go. We had 11 trades today. Only 3 of them were for a profit. But I want you to notice something here. Look at that. When I did make money, I had 2 over 1% trades and a 1-2% trade. And there's those that were expense trades at what, 0.7, and the rest were all below that. So that's what we mean by cut your losers short and let your winners run. And what happened as a result of that? We ended up with 1.4% to the positive for the day, which means about $140 with our model portfolio of $10,000 invested per trade. So that's, it wasn't a real profitable day, but it didn't cost us anything anyway. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember to cut your losers short and let your winners run.